Hello students. So in the set theory we have completed with exercise number 1.4. The next concept what we are going to see, that is to complete exercise number 1.5, we need to know what is complement of a set. Okay. So what does complement of a set means? So basically to find complement of a set you require two things. That is, one is first main thing is what? Universal set. So you require universal set. First thing universal set ಬೇಕಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು set A ಬೇಕಾ. It may be A, B, C, any set. And this should be what? It should be subset of U. So A should be subset of U. Okay. Then we call complement of a set means what? Okay. To find complement, what we are going to define, let U be the universal set. Okay, and A be subset of U. Okay, then complement of A is set of all elements in U but not in A. Okay, what does complement of a set A means what? So set of all elements which are there in universal set but it should not be there in A. That is almost you can write, it is denoted by the symbol A dash. So A dash is the symbol used to denote complement of a set. A dash is equal to what? U minus A. So I had already explained you what is A minus B, B minus A. So A minus B means what? Set of all elements which are there in A but not in B. Same way A dash is what? Complement. It is what? U minus A. Means set of all elements which are there in universal set but not in the set A. So first to complement of a set define ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸೆಟ್ A ಬೇಕು. ಆ A ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? A ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, I'll give you one example here. You can see I take okay. Let me take universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now I've taken the elements, universal set elements from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Universal set will be given to you and some set A is given to you. For example, 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. So this is A. Obviously A is subset of U because all elements of A 1, 2, 5, 7, 9 it is present in U. Okay. Now we have to find what? A complement. A dash find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So set of all elements which are there in U but not in A. 1 is there, here also it is there, 2 is there, yes. But 3 is an element which is there in universal set but it is not present in your A. 3. Next 4, yes. 4 is present in U but 4 is not there in set A. What about 5? It is present. 6, yes. 6 is there in U but not in A. 7, it is there. 8, yes. 10. Okay. 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದ? A complement because these are the elements which are there in universal set. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ set. Okay, we have few properties regarding this universal set. So now let me tell you one by one the first property, what we are going to study, that is properties. First property is what? A union A dash is equal to universal set. So if you take A is one set and A dash is one set, universal set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ ನಾವು elements 1 to 10 ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೆ. Okay, you can just refer this example which I had taken previously. So A, what are the elements? 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. A dash ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ? 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೋ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. When you unite these two, you will get universal set. So A union A dash will be equal to what? Universal set. This is first property. Second property is what? A intersection A dash is equal to null set. So as you know, because the elements which are there in A will not be there in A dash. Therefore, when you take the intersection of that, it will be equal to null set. Next, the third complement, we call it as what? Double complement. A dash whole dash will be equal to A itself. First to A complement find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, other the whole complement find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. For example, the previous example itself, if you see, this is A dash. Okay, now again I find the complement of this A dash. Andra 3, 6, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 ಇವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Which all elements will come? 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. So these are the elements which are there in A dash but not in U. So this will be equal to what? Again A itself. So first to complement ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? U minus A ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ complement ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ again you will get the same set A itself. So this is known as what? Law of double complement. Law of double complement. Okay, so now the fourth property I'm going to say, that is what? De Morgan's law, very important. There are two laws here. As far as concerned with the De Morgan's law, you have two laws. First one is what? A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. This is first thing. Second one, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, this is De Morgan's law. How to remember it? In when you're taking whole intersection, ಇಲ್ಲಿ union ಇದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ intersection ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ intersection ಇದ್ರ union ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, this De Morgan's law I'm going to explain you with an example. How to prove De Morgan's law. Okay, how to verify De Morgan's law. Let me explain you by taking one simple example so that it will be understood more clearly to you all. Okay, to explain that I need one universal set. Okay, I take the universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have taken one universal set with the elements 1 to 7. Now I require two subsets, that is A and B. I take A set as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, B is one more set with the elements 2, 3, 6. Okay, see whether A and B are subset of U. Yes. Now you have universal set, you have A, you have B. They'll give you the question, verify De Morgan's law. Okay, first law I have to verify now. To verify the first law, what is the first law? A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. This is what? Your first law. So first let me verify left hand side, next right hand side. So now first E part matra consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is what? LHS part. Okay, to find LHS part, first thing what I require, A union B is required for me. Am I correct? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ? ಕಂಬೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ 1 2 3 4 and 6. This is what A union B. 1 2 3 4 6. Without repeating the elements, you are combining A and B, you get A union B. Next, what I want? A union B complement I want. A union B complement means what? Set of all elements which are there in A union B but not in universal set. So 1 it is present, 2 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present, but 5 it is present in your universal set but it is not there in A union B. 6, yes, it's present. 5, 7 will be your A union B whole dash. Call this as equation number 1. Anything you can consider. ಸೊ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. Then whatever elements are there in A union B, except those elements, remaining elements from the universal set, you have to write. This will be what? A union B complement. Next, I want A complement only and B complement only to find right hand side. Okay. So A is what? 1 2 3 4. So now I want A complements. So except 1 2 3 4, what are the remaining elements from the universal set? 5 6 7. So A complement will be equal to 5 6 7. Okay. Now B complement I want. Except 2 3 6, write down the remaining elements. 1. Okay. 2 and 3 you should not write. 4 5 7. Okay, 1 4 5 7 are the elements which are there in universal set but they are not present in B. Now what, according to this law, what I have to do? I have to take intersection between these two. A dash intersection B dash. 5 6 7 1 4 5 7. Common elements between these two is what? 5 and 7. So call this as equation number 2. So compare equation 1 and equation 2. They are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. The result is proved. Okay. So now De Morgan's second law, what does it state? Second law states that A dash intersection, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. So to find this, so let me again consider left hand side. Left hand side is what? A intersection B. So now I require A intersection B. Okay, check out. This is A and this is B. What are the common elements between A and B? 2, 3. So 2, 3 is A intersection B. So next what I have to find? A intersection B complement. Andre 2, 3 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 1 4 5 6 7. So 1 4 5 6 7 will be equal to what? A intersection B complement. Call this as equation number 1. Next, A dash union B dash you have to find. A dash union B dash. Already you have found what is A dash and B dash. Unite this, that is union, you have to find 1 4 5 6 7. So union of this 1 4 5 6 7 without repeating the elements. Now compare these two equations. Are they equal? So A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. So this is how we are going to prove the De Morgan's law. Let me explain you once again how to prove it. So first, one universal set will be given to you. A set will be given to you and B set will be given to you. They will tell you to verify De Morgan's law. To verify De Morgan's law, you have to remember these two results. Sometimes directly they'll only give the results. If the results are not given, for example, A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. So now I have to simplify which part? Left hand side part. To simplify left hand side part, what I require here, A union B is required. So now I write A union B. Means what? Combining A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, I have written A union B without repeating the elements, combining A and B. Next is what? A union B complement. If you want A union B complement, then you have to compare this A union B with the universal set. Then you should write the elements from the universal set which are not there in A union B. So except 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, which are the elements present in universal set? 5 and 7. Okay, write it out, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ elements ಇದಾವ universal set ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 5 and 7. Call it as equation number 1. That will be what? A union B whole dash. Similarly, next what I am going to find? To find the RHS part, I want A dash and B dash. So first thing, A complement, that is A dash I am going to find. To find A dash, what I have to do? I have to compare A and universal set. Okay, set of elements which are there in U but not in A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Except 1, 2, 3, 4. Which are the elements in universal set? 5, 6 and 7. So I have written 5, 6 and 7. So if I want B dash, I have to compare B and U. So when I compare B and U, except 2, 3, 6, which are the elements? 1, 4, 6, 7. So 1, 4, 5, 7. Not 6, 5, 7. So this will be your B dash. Now what is there? A dash intersection B dash is there. Intersection means common elements between these two. So 5 and 7, 5 and 7 is present. 5, 7. So on comparing these two, what happens? The result holds good. Similarly, if you find this side, that is what? Second De Morgan's law, if you find what it is given, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. To find LHS part, you require A intersection B. So I check now, A intersection B, common elements between A and B is what? 2, 3. So illu 2, 3 other, illu 2, 3 other. So common element is 2, 3. Next, if I want A intersection B whole dash means except 2, 3, what are the elements in universal set? So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have written 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, if I want A dash union B dash, already A dash is here, B dash is here. Just make the union of this. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. On comparing 1 and 2 results, you get A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay. So I'll give you the notes regarding this. Try exercise number 1.5. So next exercise 1.5 is based on these things only, that is complement of a set. Okay. Thank you.